welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, easy to make chicken and waffle recipe. Stay tuned. These are my ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe, guys. So I have some chicken wings. It's already clean washed. I have my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, a little bit of annatto powder, a little bit of Szechuan seasoning. I have my hot sauce right here. It's mixed with some water. And over here I have my fresh thyme. All right, guys, so we're gonna jump right into the video and get started. Let's go. So we're just gonna mix all of our dry seasoning together. Make sure everything is, fully combined, nicely mixed. Then we're gonna add our fresh thyme. Mix it up. And then we're just gonna pour all these lovely ingredients on top of our chicken wings. And then you just wanna rub your seasoning in. Rub in your dry seasoning. Mix it up until everything is, nicely seasoned. And then we're gonna add our hot sauce. Our hot sauce mixed with water. The hot sauce is gonna add a nice little spicy flavor to our fried chicken wings. And instead of using egg yolk or eggs, this is a nice, substitution for it. Just make sure the chicken wings are fully covered, nicely coated. And then, like I said, guys, we're just gonna drop it in right into the oil. Yes, guys, the chicken is almost ready. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna let this fry while I'm working on the waffles, all right? Look how nice and crispy it is. Golden. Woo! So we're just gonna let it sit for a few more minutes. All right, guys, so here I have some flour, about 2 cups of flour. And I'm gonna add some baking powder. Not too much. About a tablespoon. And then we're just gonna mix it in. Just stir it up for about a minute until the flour and the baking powder is fully combined. Then we're gonna add our nutmeg, a little cinnamon powder, and some salt. At about a half teaspoon cinnamon powder. We're gonna add about a half teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna add our nutmeg. We're gonna do it about the same portion, about a half teaspoon. Smelling good. So good. Mix it in. And now we're gonna combine our wet ingredients. I have some butter, about a stick of butter, 1 egg. Just a little bit of milk. I have my vanilla. Add a decent amount. Give it a nice little flavor. A little rose water. A little bit of ginger extract. not much. And then we're just gonna pour it in. Mix it in. And once our mixture reaches its correct, consistency, then we'll just add it to the waffle maker. All right. So now it's still a little bit thick, so we're gonna add our last and final ingredient, a little bit of water. So we're gonna pour some water, just a little bit at a time, because you definitely don't want to mess it up. So a little bit at a time, and we should be good. So as you can see, guys, this is still a little bit too thick. So keep adding water just to loosen it up a little. And while I'm making our waffle mixture, guys, our fried chicken wings are still, frying right now. It's still in the making. So by the time the waffles are on the waffle maker, the wings should be ready. You just want to fry your chicken wings for about 10 minutes. That's about it. A little bit more water, and that should be good. All right, so I think the consistency is perfect. Not too thick, not too loose. There it is. And now we're gonna make our waffles. Let's go. Add a little bit of non-stick spray. Turn it around. Repeat the same step. Little spray. Not too much. Then you add your batter. A little bit more. Close it down. Oh yes. So our waffles are good. Listen. Crispy. That's what you want to hear. Remove the first one. Flip them over. Crispiness. And then we have a little bit more that we're going to add. A little spray. And then we're just going to scrape it out. So now we're gonna make our blueberry glaze or blueberry compote. We're gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar. And then we're gonna add some water. Then we're just gonna stir it up together, guys. Stir it up, and once it comes to a boil, we're just gonna lower the heat and let it simmer until everything turns into a glaze, basically. At this point, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla, not too much. Also a little bit of lemon zest. Stir it up again. Oops, shit. Yes guys, so we're at the end of the video and I'm looking at this beautiful masterpiece right here. I don't even want to cut into it, don't want to mess it up, but I'm gonna have to. So we're just gonna do a quick taste test. I'm gonna slice into it. And by the way, how do you like your waffles? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like it plain or with like a whole bunch of, you know, syrup and glaze and sauces on top? Wow. This is good. This is good, guys. Oh my God. Guys, right now I'm speechless. Trust me. Definitely must try recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.